Do you have portion control problems when it comes to keto-friendly ice cream? I do. And that's exactly why I created this keto-friendly ice cream sandwich recipe, so you can have your ice cream without eating the entire tub. Let's get cooking. The first thing you want to do is add your almond flour into a bowl, followed by your favorite powdered monk fruit sweetener. Like always, I use Lecanto. It's my favorite, but you can use whatever brand you want. I just love the flavor of Lecanto a lot more than the other brands I have tried. Your Dutch processed cocoa powder, and a little bit of salt, and then you're going to whisk it all together so it is fully combined. Now that that's all done, you're going to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. I just had to throw that in there. Anyway, now you're gonna melt down your butter, pour it into your dry ingredients, and with your hands, mix it all through. Now you want it to be kind of a, dare I say, moist consistency. Ugh, I hate that word, but that's the best way to describe it. You want it to be still malleable so you can kind of form it into a ball shape, but without it kind of falling all over the place because it's too crumbly. But you also don't want it to be too goopy that you can't really do anything with it. So be very mindful of the consistency of this dough. If you can shape your dough into a nice ball, then that means it is done, you have the perfect consistency, and it's time to throw it into your pan. So what you want to do then is you're going to take a spatula and evenly disperse it across the bottom of your pan. Then taking the bottom of a glass, you're going to press it down in there to really make it nice and compact. Now you're going to take your keto-friendly, low-carb ice cream and add it straight on top. It really helps if you leave your ice cream out for about 10 minutes just so it really softens up and you can just easily spread it right across. Trust me, saves you a lot of hassle and a lot of time. Now we're gonna throw it in the freezer for about an hour or until it hardens a bit. And then you're going to make another batch of your dough because we're gonna spread it on top to make the ice cream sandwich. Now that the ice cream has hardened, it's time to finish off our ice cream sandwich by placing the remaining dough on top of the ice cream and just kind of spreading it along the top and try and pat it down as well as you can. Then you're going to throw it in the freezer for maybe another hour or so, and then you can go ahead and cut it up because it is good to go. Honestly, waiting is the hardest part. Anyway, I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any suggestions for future videos I can do, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.